Hello everyone. This is a quick video showing how to replace the washer located inside the LPG cylinder in your kitchen. Sometimes you may have noticed that when you replace the gas cylinder, you hear a very faint hissing sound. No matter how you see the regulator, the gas continues to leak. The culprit is a washer located inside the valve of the cylinder. Not many are aware of this, so now you know. It is easy to replace the washer at home and I'll show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is to turn off the regulator and remove the regulator from the valve. Next, place the cylinder in a well-lit area and notice the rubber washer present inside the brass valve. Use a tester screwdriver and insert the flat end into the gap between the valve and the washer. Be patient as it may take some time if you are doing this for the first time. Once the screwdriver end is inserted, simply pull out the washer. So this is the washer and is the culprit if you have a leaking cylinder. The person from the gas agency who comes to deliver the cylinders carries spare washers with him. You can also ask him for spare washers. Alternately, when you're giving away your old consumed cylinder, you can take out the washer from it. The gas agency will not penalize you for it. While refilling, they will simply add a new washer to the valve. To insert the replacement washer, fold the washer like this and insert it into the valve. Once you've inserted it, push the folded ends inside and the washer will straighten out.
That is it.
Now replace the regulator, turn the knob and check for leaks. You can quickly identify a leak using the pungent odor, or you can use a mug containing soapy water to check for bubbles. So that'll be all guys. I hope this video was useful. I'll see you in another video. Bye.